it's wonderful to be here at Schiller and Hamilton. Bennett has been educating us on different types of claims and compensations, and so we thank you for that and all that you do. Tell the folks how long you've been here in this community.
Well, we've been here in this community since 2011, but I've been doing this since 1994, and we have an office in Rock Hill and an office in Lancaster, so we have kind of a statewide reach.
And we've come here many times in the past, and we learned all the ways that you support the community. You've got a lot of different partners, and so again, that's a great testament to you and your firmness in the area. But tell somebody if they're unfamiliar and they're hesitant to say, hey, I don't even know if I need a lawyer. What's the first step? What should they expect?
Well, first of all, it doesn't cost anything to come in and see us and to meet with us. It doesn't cost you anything for us to work on your case. In fact, we do it on a contingency fee, which means our fee is contingent upon the outcome of the case. And you hear that many lawyers advertise that, which basically provides keys to the courthouse for people who would not be able to afford an attorney. Access to justice allows us to be able to represent someone on a percentage of whatever the recovery is. So whether it's a Social Security case or a workers' comp case or a personal injury case, we work on a contingency fee. So, you pay us nothing unless we're successful. So, but the first step is to give us a call because it doesn't cost anything, to discuss one of these types of cases with us. And, we make it convenient. You can do it by phone. You can hire us on the telephone like so
Zoom
many.
these days,
Zoom,
right?
Yeah, Zoom, conference call. You can sign a retainer. We can bind sign it too. You can sign up on your phone or you can sign up. Now, we like to prefer to meet with clients. So even if we make it convenient on the initial interview to sign up with us, we like to actually get to know our clients, and we like to have them to come into our office and meet with us. And, one of the things that I think we're very different is you actually get to meet with me. You actually get to meet with Joel Hamilton or one of the attorneys. You're not going to be working with just a case manager. A lot of firms, have multiple case managers or paralegals that meet with the clients, and they never meet their lawyer. We want to meet them because, it's my job to be able to communicate to an insurance company everything that person has lost, or to the Social Security, judge, the ALJ there. So we like to actually get to know our clients and spend some time with our clients, and, it's our job to recover for that person everything they've lost. So, the first step is to get a lawyer involved because the insurance companies have lawyers immediately, especially tractor trailer cases, car wreck cases. They get involved in the investigation pretty early. They've got lawyers that are very well trained, to deny, defend, and delay, and that's what they do. Yeah. And the longer the delay, the more damages that someone may incur. So, getting a lawyer involved early, memories fade. We like to talk to witnesses. We like to talk to the officer. We like to get the police report. We like to conduct our investigation, but we also want to make sure they're getting the right medical treatment.
In the meantime.
Right. A lot of times they're being denied medical treatment. They can't get the right treatment. Well, there's resources in our community that will help them get the treatment that they need without having to pay out of pocket. So, the good news is when you call us, it doesn't cost anything. You're not going to be paying us an hourly fee. We don't get paid unless we're successful. And we'll spend all the money up front doing the investigation, and if we're not successful, if it's not a compensable claim, then we're out that money. So we just want to serve our community, and we talk about that and all the different things that we do. But this is what we do. This is how we serve. We try to make sure that we have access to justice for everybody in our community.
And as we learned in the past, your success allows you to give back to the community and get in there and do other things and be part of events and communities and so forth.
Absolutely. I mean, and we've talked about this in the past. I believe that where much is given, much is expected. Yes. And that if you've been blessed, and I've been blessed, and my family's been blessed, and this law firm, we're blessed, we have the opportunity, to serve and give back to our community. And we like to do that because, one, it makes us feel good. They always say it's better to give than it is to receive. And that is true because, the benefits that we get to work together as a team to put on an event or to be in an event. We get to hang out outside the office, whether it's the Beaufort Charities Oyster Roast or a golf tournament. So we really enjoy getting involved in our community, and that's kind of what we've been doing for, now almost 30 years.
Wow. As they say, enjoying the fruits of your labor, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you got to work hard in order to enjoy it, to give back to the community.
That's right.
You do a great job of that.
And well, you need to know the community your client lives in too, so you can understand what's been taken.
Always wonderful to be here, and you always are so educational. So if you have any questions, feel free to call Bennett at Schiller and Hamilton here. And we thank you for watching this episode of 843 TV, where communities come to speak.